So how do I go from the sine theta to angle theta? That's when I have to do my sine inverse. So when I go sine inverse 12 divided by 14, what do I get?
58.9972.
How much?
58.9972.
So to the nearest whole number? So my triangle is 59 degrees. So that's how we can use SOHCAHTOA to find an angle. To find a side. So in my triangle, I'm given that this is 49 degrees. This side here is 17.6, and I want to know what this side is. So again, if I look at what do I call these sides? Well, this is the hypotenuse because it's opposite 90 degree. This is my given angle, which means x would be opposite to that, and then adjacent is what's left over. So again, because I'm given the opposite side, or I'm asked to find the opposite side, I'm given the hypotenuse and I'm given the angle. Where do I find opposite and hypotenuse? In sine. So when I set this up, I get the sine of a 49 degree angle equals x over 17.6. To get x by itself, I multiply both sides by 17.6. And what do you get when you go 17.6 times sine 49?
13.42.
So to one decimal place would be 13.3. When you're typing this into your calculator, when you press the sine button, a bracket opens up. So if I was to put sine 49 times sine 49 times 17.6, I would need to remember to close the bracket around that 49. Otherwise, my calculator will go 49 times 17.6, take that answer, and take the sine of that and treat it as an angle. So I need to be careful how I put it into the calculator. So if I look at the next one, if I want to know what QR is, this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse. So the trig function that has adjacent and hypotenuse is cos. So I get that cos of a 73 degree angle equals 24 divided by A. To get rid of the A, I multiply both sides by A, which brings A to the left-hand side, and now I don't have a denominator anymore. Then to get A by itself, divide by cos 73. So if you took your calculator and went 24 divided by cos 73, what would you get? 0.1. So to one decimal place would be?
There's no 1 in it. Sorry, it says 09.
Oh, 09, sorry. So then to one decimal place would be 82.1. So using that knowledge, I want you to try to do class example number 4 and class example number 5 on your own.